May rice
Hindi na
pala
nakantay
every,
si Jin. Kumain na.
Naningiti si Puma sa atin.
Octopus, squid, fried rice. Ito pa rin ang lalaki. Alam mo. Sarap ng pork chop. Sarap ng pork chop.
Ayos ba mga bata? Para hindi puro bulalo kinakain natin.
Hi! Nandito tayo sa Mongping Cable Car. Saan yung City Gate outlets? Maraming outlets dyan na mga mabibilihan. Guys, tignan nyo. Ayan yung ano. Ewan ko anong tawag dyan. Yung bus na ano. Nakapunta na ako dito last something. Ayan. Akit na yun. Field trip yan. Field trip. Papunta kami sa standard cabin. Go, go, go. Okay. Sakay na tayo sa cabin. Oh my gosh.
Ayaw pa pala.
Ayun yung Buddha, yun. Anyang!
Tab. Planetary rin. Ano? Alignment. Ay, ang ganda ng ulam.
Pagkababa, ito na. Ito yun. Parang village. May mga kainan. Hi! Hey! Hey! Guys, walking with Buddha. Souvenir shop siya for Buddhism. May palamig lang eh. Nung pumunta ako dito guys, it's winter. China art. Let's see what's inside. Poster. Another pampaswerte. Dito na tayo sa temple. Let's try to make alay. Saan nakakabili? Kita nyo, may parang yellow silang inaalay or something. Yun o, parang malaki. Ito yung sa loob ng temple. Ayan siya. Not really sure. Different kinds of Buddha. And you can also put donations there. Ganda of flowers. Wow. So beautiful. Yan, ang ganda niya pa rin. Nagdasal ako sa loob dun. Last time. Yan. tingnan nyo yung nasa harapan ko. Maliban sa makalat namin gamit, that's the view of Hong Kong. Tulad ng napapanood natin sa Hello, Love, Goodbye. Well, punong-puno naman kasi talaga ng mga building dito. Ayun o, kita niyo yung basura. Oh, wait. This is not the front road. This is not the front of the hotel. I think sa gilid or something. Or maybe sa likod. Sobrang liit ng room namin dito. Ayoko na lang ipakita din sa inyo. So, it's currently 8:02. And our itinerary today is we're gonna go to Mongkok. We're gonna do shopping. Mga parang chunky-chunky yun as far as I know. Tapos may street foods din doon. Then after that, we're gonna have our tour. Wait, I'll just check our itinerary so I can share it with you. So we're gonna go to Avenue of Stars, Jewelry Factory and Souvenir Outlet, West Kowloon and Cultural District, Hong Kong Place, Museum and Art Park. Oh, I'm excited na punta doon. Then after that, parang napuplanuan namin to go to Macau. But let's see if kaya pa. I'll try to take videos later sa Mongkok and sa tour namin, so I can show you guys what are the tourist spots here in Hong Kong. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Mag-breakfast muna kami.
May TikTok ka, di ba?
We're walking, going to the Jordan Station because we're gonna go to Mongkok. I'm gonna go to Mongkok. Gonna go to Mongkok to shop for souvenirs. Sana
150 meters, take a left on Nathan Road.
Wait, attorney dito.
Mali, dapat malagyan malima.
Ayan po.
Mobra lang ang lakad. Sige, hindi na siya pag-pedestrian.
Nakama pala siya.
Yeah.
Wala pa ba na?
Pababa ng station. Going to Mongkok. Train to Busan pa. Thank you.
Tour guide naman. Maligaw naman.
Tap. Oh my God, I'm so confused. Feeling ko maliligaw ako.
Dito kami mag-MR.
Hindi ka ba nakapag-MR? Pinamukha naman sa Hong Kong ako unang sumakit.
Uy, Jollibee! May Jollibee, oh. Tambayan ng mga Pinoy. Grabe yung
Bibidyoan na. Outfit.
Nagkagawin daw. Rampa.
Muntik na akong tumukit sa... Dito tayo. Underpass. Underpass sa Maynila, may mga tindahan. Nakabili na ako pampasalubong, guys. I watched on TikTok that their plastic bags are not free. That's why I bought them. $1 din yung isang plastic cup. So, it's like 7 pesos. Sayang din naman, di ba? Pambili mo pa ng candy yun. Candy. Ay! Pamakita ko sa inyo mamaya mo pinamili ko. Ito ang aking mga papasalubong sa mga tita at tito. Kasi guys, nag-open pa lang yung Ayan. This is in Mongkok. Ah, shit. Nakalimutan ko na naman yung street. Hindi na ako nakapag-video masyado sa Mongkok at nag-change outfit na rin ako guys. Pero now, we're in I don't know, nakalagay Avenue of Stars pero ito meron siya dito. Nag-start na kami dun sa city tour namin. Tapos ito yung unang stop. Nakalagay Avenue of Stars. Pero di ko alam kung nasa yung Avenue of Stars. Tapos ang gwapo ng isang driver. Emma! Ito lang pala yun. Ito lang. Ang ganda naman. Ang ganda-ganda. Ganda na no. Sobrang ganda. Yata namin makita yung Avenue of Stars. I think nandun siya sa may baba. Kasi parang mga star lang ata siya. Of famous people. Wait. I miss my friends. I miss my family. I miss my boyfriend. Feeling ko sa ibang bansa na talaga ako titira. Namumula ba ako? Blush on or sunbird na? Oh, may Starbucks doon, no? Oh, shit. Dito may Starbucks. Hindi pa ako nakakabili ng mug. Dito na kami sa Artist Square, guys. Ayan, no? Ito niyo yan. Art. Eme. Mga lampara and eme. Let's go inside. Wait, hindi ako nakikita. Natin kung anong makikita here. Feeling ko ayan, tignan nyo. Name ng artists. Oh, ayun o. Hindi ko alam yung ginagawa niya. Work niya ba yan? Parang nakakapagod ah. M-Shop. Yung mga mabibilihan here na ano ba? Ewan ko. Huh. Hi guys. So nandito kami sa parang Kowloon District, West Kowloon and Cultural District. We have until 4 PM to go around. Ito parang ano siya? Alam ko, museum or art something. 4 floors siya na puro art. Hindi ko siya masyado na-appreciate. Nag-coffee na lang ako. May cinema din siya and other things. Flat white and curried fishball. Let's take our moment here. It's 3:29. Grabe yung lakad dito, guys. Sobra. Lahat ng ginagawa mo, lakad. Hindi pa masagasaan kanina.
Sorry, is it occupied here?
This is not occupied. Yeah, we can have a seat. Are you alone?
Yes. And you?
Yeah, me too.
Are you traveling here or
Yes,
where are you from?
from the Philippines.
How long are you in Hong Kong for traveling?
Until Monday. We were here since yesterday.
Oh, you have friends coming here? Very warm. I
Yeah.
think in Philippines too, right?
Yeah.
Humid and warm.
It's summer here right now.
Yeah. Take videos.
Yes. Do you want to say hi?
Cool. Hi.
What's your name?
Rachel.
Rachel. I'm Angela.
Hi, nice to meet you. Are you a vlogger, like YouTuber?
No, not really a YouTuber, but I'm just making videos so that I would have memories of
Yeah, I
traveling.
like to do that too. Just to remind myself when I want to record.
Yes. I just want to know things about this building. What is this building?
I think it's kind of art gallery and a museum mix.
Okay. So this is not the museum.
Oh, there's a palace museum.
Yeah, that's
here. Yeah, very close.
Oh,
Walking distance. Is there a special exhibition you want to see?
I just want to know about the culture of Hong Kong.
Only been there once, and there was one very historical exhibition about the Chengdu antiques, like from 3,000 years ago.
That's what I'm interested about, the historical culture.
Yeah, this one is more like art.
How old are you?
24.
20. I'm 25.
25.
You're still a student?
I work here now. Work or do you study?
I'm still studying.
What?
Hindi po, nakilala ko lang po siya. Mga lumang news sa iba't ibang bansa, Netherlands, Philippines! Alam mo yung gets mo kung ano yung gusto niyang iparating pero hindi mo siya ma-explain kung bakit. Dean! Ganda. Parang forest in the middle of the city. Tapos ito mga shopping malls. Nasa ano kami? Basta pupunta kami Nathan Road. Cute! Ano? Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ewan ko bakit red yung daan. Daanan lang ba yan? Eme. Circle K. Ito parang ano, parang 7-Eleven. Kind. Parang ganon. Ooh, shop. Kung mag-isa lang ako, bibili ako dun. Oh, parang siyang park ko. Diba? Ganda. Perfect. Maangang siya dun.
Konti.
Tingnan ba ito?
Walya.
Kaya hindi natikman mo ito? Medyo maangaw.
Ako tayo chim cha suey.
Cameron.
Ang hang, kaya masarap. Ito yan guys. So. Recommended by our dean. Sarap. Street food. Nahanap na din ang restaurant. Noodles, bok choy, chicken,
Ito na.
fried rice.
Reina. Lunch. Walang...
waffle. Because there's a lot of pila kanina. Tapos ang bango niya. Yan dami pila Oh, wow. Kita niyo yan, guys. Masarap. Yan na. Thank you. Tayo ko na lang yung na-post sa iyo. Per boto ng kain? Per eggnog? After 2 kilometers, buhay pa naman kami. Tapos, hindi pa kami tapos.
Hindi, wala na.
Mas kadami pang pagkakala mo yun lang. Naubos ang lakas. Pag matatawag, may nasabi pa ito.
Sarap yung punat niya. First 4?
Kayo na yan.